Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got few new levels on the chart. I have drawn few lines here, so let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBP USD and what are the best trading opportunities for GBP USD on Monday. So let's get started. So first of all, you can see that during the last trading session GBP USD recovered quite a bit and ultimately closed at 1.3543. This is the last traded price of GBP USD, and you can see that if you look at the trend of the market here, then the trend is still towards the downside, and as we all know, trend is the most important thing in the market, and the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend, or in simple words, if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And if we just focus on this present portion of GBP USD here, then there should not be any doubt on our mind that this market is in downtrend. Therefore, it will be safe for us to mainly look for selling or shorting opportunities only. Clear? Okay. So the next point that should be our prime focus is the AOV, area of value. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that I always focus on area of value, and I have been talking about the area of value in hundreds and hundreds of videos. So area of value is the most important spot because if we find the area of value, okay, we follow the risk to reward ratio and we get the best price. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunities. In a downtrend market, the best trading opportunity or the best selling opportunity is always near the resistance, whereas in an uptrend market, the best buying position or the best trading position in an uptrend market is always near the support. This market GBP USD is in downtrend, and as you can clearly see, so our best trading opportunity will also be near the resistance only. So right now market is trading in the middle here, so 1.3543. if you let's assume if you buy here, then your stop loss will be here, so you are taking a huge risk. Your risk to reward ratio does not match, so no trade. And if you short also, if you short the market here, then again your stop loss will be above this level, so again your risk to reward is not much in your favor. So as I always say, do not trade in the middle, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. So as long as market is trading in the middle, my dear friends, if you are a beginner, if you love your hard-earned money, then please listen to me and do not trade in the middle. The best trading opportunity on GBP USD chart will be at this particular level of 1.3600 to 1.3650. This is the best level for GBP USD. So right now it is trading here. So when market will be going up from here, okay, when market will be going up from here, there's a good chance of a market reversing from this particular level. Why? First of all, we have a resistance at 1.3600 and 1.3650. This level will be acting as a resistance. Plus, in addition, we also have this trend line which is also acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. You can see that previously when market was trying to go up, this trend line was there as the resistance. So we can hope that when market will be going up, this trend line will still be acting as a resistance. And if you just observe this particular portion of the market here, then we have double resistance. We have got double resistance here, so obviously there's a greater chance of market reversing from this level. So if market reverses from this double resistance level here, then definitely we can short it. Clear? And on the other hand, Listen to me carefully. And on the other hand, if market comes down on Monday, after the market opening, if you see selling on Monday, market comes down, then do not go for buy sell anything in the middle. Please do not compromise with your trading discipline. Just wait for the market to hit 1.3412 level, because this is also a very important support for the market, this level. So once market reaches or hits this level, just observe the price. If you see that, just like the previous time, if market bounces from the support level, just click on the buy button. No need to think about anything. Clear? So short the market here and go for a buy here if market trades according to our expectation. And on the other hand, if you look at the chart of DXY, as we all know, DXY US dollar has got huge impact on forex market, and it has a correlation with GBP. When dollar goes up, we usually see British pound going down, and when dollar goes down, we usually see GBP going up. So there is a possibility here that if GBP comes down on Monday, if DXY US dollar comes down on Monday, then US dollar will be bouncing from this level, because it also has a double support here from the trend line as well as this 93.80 to 93.60. So US dollar has a double support at this particular level, and there is a possibility that at the same time GBP also will be in the same spot here. So dollar will be at the support, and GBP will be at the resistance. So if dollar bounces from the support, then definitely GBP USD will be coming down or going down from the resistance. So if we get that opportunity on the market, then it will be a very smooth trade for us. So if dollar at support and GBP at resistance, and both have double resistance and double support, that will be a great movement. Let's see what the market does on Monday. Okay, just keep in mind, only trade here or at here, and I'll be coming down on Monday again, and I'll share what should be our next strategy. And if you look at the forex sentiment meter here, this is the forex sentiment meter. We can see that 39% retail traders have taken short position and 60% retail traders have taken long position. And as we all know, more than 90% retail traders lose money. So there is a good possibility of market going down, because to be honest, I have always seen, or most of the time I have seen, that market always trading against the sentiment of the retail traders. So if they are on the buy side, then there is a possibility of market going down. So whatever, do not trade in the middle, follow proper discipline. That's my request. And last month, my dear friends, I have launched the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you're interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to the abhilashhazarika.com. Under Pro Trader section, you'll find all the necessary information. So bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow, no, Monday.